there, it's Sandy from the virtual studio, and I want to show you how to sharpen a pencil and get it really sharp. So you start with your electric sharpener. And I love this Quietsharp because it stops on its own, but sometimes it leaves that little horizontal flat part on the top of your pencil. And if you want it super sharp for a particular tiny thing you're doing, take one turn in any handheld pencil sharpener and look at the difference in the sharpness that we get on that green pencil compared to the cream one. You can use other brands too. This one is just a generic one and it's yellow, so I bought it because it's yellow. But they both will give you a very sharp point following the main sharpening with your electric sharpener. Join me in the virtual studio free class for more little tips like this.